Hi, I'm Nolan Piper with an update on the percent calculator. Version 2.5 is now available. There's a new key which I want to introduce now. It's this green button right at the top here, and what it does is it saves keystrokes for playback at any time, all with one button. So for example, if we wanted to make it another one-touch percent, we could put in, say, 8, and I'll start programming, and we'll say plus 50%. And now those are the keystrokes we'll save. So if I press it again, it'll add 50% to 12. And then I could try another number. I'll put in 10 and add 50%. And then of course the margin buttons, bump buttons still work as well. And you can see your calculations by touching the display area. And that shows what we've been doing just now. I'll go back. Now to reset the program, the settings screen has a new Saving Keystrokes segment with the big reset button, and that will bring back the green button ready for the next program. Now we'll do an example where we have two discounts. One of them is defined as 20%. The other can change, and we will take it from memory. So let's say it starts at 12%. So I'll just put 12 into our memory location. And then let's start with a number, we'll say 50, and now we'll start recording the keystroke so we can apply it over and over again. So minus 20%, and then we'll say minus whatever's in memory, in this case 12%, and then we'll add tax to that. And that's our program. So I just did it for $50. We can just look at that. Started with 50, subtracted 20%, subtracted what was in memory, and added tax. So let's say if the amount was 85, I'll just go back and look at that. 85 minus 20% minus 12% plus 10%. And then let's say the value we want isn't 12% anymore, it's 15%. So I'm going to put that into memory. Now that's our new memory value. I'll put in 85 and run it again. And we'll look and see what happened with that. Minus 20% minus 15% now, plus 10% gives us a different total. So we're at 63.58. With the previous one, we were at 65.82. So that gives you an example of what we can do with our new Saving Keystrokes function. Enjoy!